Hello and welcome to another lecture in LangFlow and LangChain course by techlatest.net. So far, we had covered a lot of things like introduction to LangFlow and no-code AI development introduction. Then we had covered understanding the LangChain framework. Then we had covered how to get LangFlow provided by techlatest.net on AWS, GCP, and Azure. Then we had covered exploring the LangFlow user interface. Then in this lecture, we're talking about building your first AI application with LangFlow. And this lecture is also a demonstration lecture. Apart from this, we will show you a step-by-step guide, like how you make your first AI application with LangFlow. So in this video, we will guide you through the process of creating a simple AI-powered chatbot using LangFlow. So LangFlow is an open source framework that allows you to build and deploy AI models with ease. By the end of this video, you will have a basic understanding of how to use LangFlow to create your own AI application. So LangFlow is an open source framework that enables you to build and deploy AI models. It provides a simple and intuitive interface for building, training, and deploying AI models. For LangFlow user interface, you can explore our lecture 6. Basically, in this lecture, we had covered all the things about the interface, like how you started your interface, what is admin, how you make user, super user. Then we had covered a lot of things in this lecture. So you can check our previous lecture also. So LangFlow supports various AI frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras. Make it versatile tool for AI development. To get started with LangFlow, so let's get started with LangFlow first. Okay, so what you have to do, my LangFlow is already running on IP. So here you can see that if you want to check like how you set up LangFlow on like how you set up LangFlow VM, how you set up on AWS, GCP, and Azure. So you can watch our previous videos. Okay, so like which is lecture number 3, 4th, and 5th. Now here you can see that flows and components can be created using LangFlow. So we have make simple chatbot like OpenAI or ChatGPT. Okay, so chat up using these powerful tools and the drag and drop interface. By the end of this video, you'll have a basic understanding how to use these tools to create your own chat app. So basically, chat OpenAI LLM is we use like LLM here, LLMs here. So if you click on start here, so here you can see that the LLMs option. So we use chat OpenAI LLM. So it's a powerful language model that can understand and respond to user input. Conversion chain is a visual interface that allows you to build conversational flows using a drag and drop interface. Together, this tool make it easy to build a chat app without needing to write code. Okay, so we don't use any code here. Simple, we use drag and drop uh, in uh, LangFlow. We make chat app using drag and drop. Okay, and we have also used here chains. So the chain is a conversion chain, and LLM is a chat open AI LLM. Okay, so like to get started, open the conversion chain interface. So simply if you click on chains, so here you can see that the conversion chain option. So you can simply drag and drop here from the option. Okay, and after this like you will see a black canvas where you can build your conversational flow, and on the left hand side you will see a list of available nodes. These nodes represent different actions that can be taken in the conversion. To build the conversational flow, drag and drop nodes onto the canvas. We have to do this stuff. For example, you can start with the user input node to capture your user input. Then you can add a chat open AI LLM node to your node to process the user input and generate response. So we can add LLMs also here. So here you can see that the chat OpenAI option. Yep. So here you can see the chat OpenAI option. We can yeah. So this is one of the best thing about LangFlow. Like you can scroll it, you can zoom it, or you can make it a small. Okay. So yep, like this is scrollable. After this, what we have to do, finally you can add a response node to display the response to the user. To configure the chat OpenAI LLMs node, click on it and enter the API key and other settings as needed. This will allow it to the node to communicate with the chat OpenAI LLM. Okay, where I am already add API key in my buffer. So simply I will paste here. Okay, from where you can get the OpenAI key. I will openai.com. Okay, so here you can find about the chat GPT, and if you search about OpenAI API key. Okay, so here you can see that the OpenAI API, and here you can simply sign up with the process, and you can use your email address and your password, and you can simply create a secret API. You can also watch our Dancer series or Jupyter. You can also watch our Dancer AI course and Jupyter AI course where we can talking about where we had covered a lot of things about the OpenAI API, basically like how you create a secret API key. So you can also watch uh, that lectures. Okay, after this what we have to do, simply click on this button. uh, okay, once we have also connected this and connect with the LLMs, we have connected this with the LLMs. Now what we have to do, click on this button. So your flow is ready to run. Click on flow button. Now what we have to do, click on here. You can see that this option is also active now. Click on this and you can simply see this the LangFlow chat. If I type here hi, so now you can see that here it is working. Hello there. How can I assist you today? If you have got question or need information on a specific topic, feel free to ask. Okay. So we can ask, who are you? I am artificial intelligence designed to interact with users like you and provide information, answer question. Okay, so what is your name? As an AI language model created by it, I am often referred to as ChatGPT. Okay, so if you search anything else, like what is Python? Python is a high level language and interpreted programming language. So you can say that it is working very well. And here you can see how you can simply create a chat app using LLMs and OpenAI key and conversion chain. So you can also yes. So this is pro level. This is one of the best part I have. I love this part. Like you can simply scroll and do anything. So this is basically the flow. You can connect with the flow and you can start you can start working on it. So this is like how you make simple chat app using drag and drop, using LLMs and using chains. Okay. So after this, yeah, mm, like uh, in this video, we have shown you how to build a simple app using chat OpenAI element conversion chain. By using the drag and drop interface, you easily create a chat app without needing to write code. By following this tutorial, you should now have a basic understanding how to use these tools to create your own chat app. So that's all about this video, and I hope you guys love this course. And don't forget to like, subscribe our channel. And yep, that's all about this video. We will meet in next video.